We've been talking about contracts today, and in addition to the home improvement contract, there's also another type of contract that you need to be aware of.
Yes, it's what's called a pesticide application contract, and it's something that's required by the DEC. And if you have anybody on your property other than a family member or yourself that's spraying any kind of pesticide on your lawn, your shrubs, your trees, or what have you, they are required to have this pesticide application contract and be a certified pesticide applicator.
Absolutely. And on that pesticide contract, there should be the name and address of both parties. There needs to be the business registration number that is a DEC number that each sprayer is, it has. And it also has to have a name for the pesticide being used and the EPA number of that pesticide.
In fact, part of the contract, they have to have the label attached or provide you with access to the label that has all of the warnings and all of that information on the pesticide being used.
And that pesticide label will tell you if there's anything you need to know for health reasons as well.
And then certainly we got to have the dates of the application. They're very important, and when it's going to be done. Okay. And last but not least, when prior to actual spraying, they are supposed to put those little signs out everybody sees out on the lawn that tells people that spraying is being done or has been done.
Correct. And those signs will have a date that work was done on too, so be aware of those. So thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the Home Gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.